Today I want to make a delicious vegetarian dish. This dish provides our body with energy and does not have any extra fat. I have always loved cooking at home. Like everyone else, I learned this from my dear grandmother and mother. In my opinion, cooking is not only an art. It is also a pleasant and relaxing pastime. For today's meal, I'll first cut 2 green zucchini into rings. It's better if the slices are the same size, but if not, that's okay. I think we should take cooking easy so we can enjoy it. Now it's time for 2 red, slightly firm tomatoes. I definitely need to learn how to cut them correctly, because it speeds up my work and makes the food look prettier. Now I'll peel 2 medium potatoes and cut them into rings. I'll cut the eggplants in the same way. Then I'll add a little salt to them. The reason for salting the eggplant is salt helps the eggplant to release excess water. It is better to move the eggplants around a bit with your hands so that the salt can be absorbed. Now I mix 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs with salt, red pepper, black pepper, and mint. These spices are my favorite spices. I use them most often in my dishes. Finally, I add 4 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. These cheeses are great, but they are a bit expensive. Now it is time to grate some garlic. I mix our mixture well. After 15 minutes, I rinse the eggplants. I use some paper towels to rinse the eggplants. I spread the vegetable oil completely on the bottom of our dish. It is better to use a special brush so that the bottom of the dish is completely oiled. The easiest part of this dish is stacking the different ingredients on top of each other. I like this very much because it is really easy. I put one of each of the ingredients that we cut on top of each other, then I put it in the dish. I continue this process until the dish is full or the ingredients are finished. Now I need to add a little more oil to our dish. Then it is time for the breadcrumb mixture, which should be completely spread on our ingredients. If you want, you can add a little fried onion on your dish like I did. Of course, it is okay if you don't have it. We put our dish in the oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius.